Clearpack is a leading packaging automation solutions provider with customers in Southeast Asia, China, India, Middle East, and Africa. Established in 1991, the Singapore headquartered firm has 500 employees working in its manufacturing plants across Asia, with 300 working at their India facility. Clearpack, having extensive experience in packaging, is always thinking about smart and innovative solutions that will help customers overcome everyday packaging challenges. The company had earlier turned to Universal Robots to develop a case erecting and packing solution with the UR10 cobot. The partnership proved a success, leading the team to UR again to design a palletizing solution, this time with the help of the Universal Robots Plus ecosystem and SKF Motion Technologies lift kit.
Many of the time we have seen that our customers have not considered the place for the palletizing while designing the complete plant. So that actually makes a very space challenging in terms of having a palletizing solution. With UR cobot palletizer system, the whole thing can be put together in a very compact space, and we still have the feasibility of doing this palletization on these lines. One of the main considerations for choosing Universal Robot is being an open platform, which means we have the flexibility to program it ourselves. At the same time, being a very lightweight, they can be easily moved from one line to another line with the help of a just caster wheel, thereby also trying to help our customers to justify the return on investment in a quicker way. UR Cobot, being a market leader in the segment, provides highest degree of flexibility and thereby a good ratio of cost and quality.
While designing the palletizing solution, the team also made sure the application was safe and easily implemented by customers.
At the same time, solution had to be very easy to program and implement so that the customer can then adopt to it quite easily. UR also has a very user-friendly human-machine interface. UR being a collaborative nature, it is also able to work in coordination with people around. Risk assessment is an integral part of any project feasibility study, as we work with the leading multinational companies in the region who have very high standard of safety requirement for the people working around. With the right application and a proper design of the accessories, we are able to put up a system without need of a safety guard.
Happy with their cobot choice, the team then looked for the ideal accessory to enhance the palletizing solution and enable the cobot to increase its stacking height, optimizing storage space in the production facility. With the UR Plus ecosystem, an online showroom offering cutting-edge products for the UR cobot, the team quickly found the perfect solution that would integrate with the UR10 cobot, offering customers a simplified operation and enhanced efficiencies.
Customer ideally would like to utilize their storage space to the maximum extent possible. This is only feasible with the toolkit like LiftKit. We came to know about LiftKit through UR Plus ecosystem. UR Plus gives us a platform to access many of the accessories which are actually specially designed for Universal Robot. That gives us a technical edge. At the same time, makes the whole integration much simpler. Prior to UR Plus, we had to evaluate different options available in the market, sometimes risking the feasibility and functionality of the system together. Since UR Plus products are designed around UR cobots, so that gives us the flexibility and also sometimes assurance to take certain projects which otherwise we hesitate to take. Since this lift kit is designed based on the requirement of UR, it was pretty easy for us to integrate and put them together. Our team took not more than a day to familiarize and put the whole system together. We did look at different options available in the market, but with the lift kit, we could get required stack height that we need with the linear speed that we wanted. So that was an easy decision for us. SKF Motion Technology is also a trusted name in the market, so that also gave us assurance to go ahead with the lift kit.
Universal Robots, through its cobots and the UR Plus platform, in collaboration with the lift kit, offered Clearpack an excellent solution to meet its customers' needs. This has led to an increase in orders for the palletizing solution.
So when it comes to collaborative robot, our choice was very clear. The best solution that we have in the market is Universal Robot.